Rectify that once with his dumbstruck to keep from killing someone.
Yes, я так и знал!
Semi-truck edition. Nice.
I think I turned. Just fucking sucks, dude. That turn is actually fucking dog shit. Holy crap. If you have 3 fucking vehicles, flip on the same spot.
Was that
The
you
exact
driving,
same
or
fucking
Henry?
spot, dude. There has to be something there that's fucking flipping them. Okay, no way. There's no way. There's no way you have 5 cars flipping. There is no way. What the?
There is Zen. Speed, too much of
That's
it.
actually
and no
insane.
embankment or slope to keep it on the curve.